In this video, I'll show you how to fix any high ping issues that you're getting in Discord. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Discord application and then click on User Settings down in the bottom left. So there are two important settings that you need to ensure are enabled when on Discord. So the first is you need to head down to this navigation on the left-hand side and then click on Voice and Video. Then scroll down the page and you'll see the section for hardware acceleration. So that's the first thing you need to make sure is turned on. Then we're also going to scroll down slightly again and you'll see quality of service. Now this is another feature that's usually best served when turned on. However, it does say that some routers or internet service providers may misbehave when this is set. So if you already have this toggled on and you're getting high ping, you could actually try disabling this, and this sometimes also fixes the issue. Now once you've done that, you can close out of this window to save those changes, and then you'll need to head over to your start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. In this window, you just need to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit enter. And once you've done that, you can now test Discord to see if that's fixed the high ping issue. If you're still getting high ping, there is one more thing that you can try doing, and that's heading back over to the start menu, searching for control panel and then clicking on the control panel window. From here, make sure you have view by set to large icons and then select network and sharing center. From the left-hand side, click change adapter settings and then just locate the network you're currently connected to. Mine's this one over here, so we're going to right click on this, select properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties, and down at the bottom, we're going to change where it says obtain DNS server address automatically, and we're going to click use the following DNS server addresses. So this can either improve or worsen your ping. It really depends on what internet connection you're using. So you'll just need to test out the two by figuring out which one works better for you. If it does worsen the ping for you, you can always come back in here and then just change it back to obtain DNS server address automatically. But for now, we're going to select use the following DNS server addresses and then type in 8888 and 8844 and then press OK. Then you can close out of this window, head over to Discord, and like I said, now you need to check whether that's either improved or worsened your ping. And if you do need to change back to the original settings, you can always come back over to here and then just change it back to how we had it originally. And that's it guys, that's how you improve your ping on Discord. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.